Hello guys, welcome back to my video guys. In today's new video I was actually going to show you one advanced beginner to advanced on exactly how to make your first sales in Clickbank. So be tuned in this video. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, I highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel so that whenever I drop a new video, you guys be in the first person at least to watch the video. So this was just a video. So as you know, there are a lot of video guys online or on YouTube that can show you how to make your first clip or how to make money in Clickbank. Some of them are already fake. I have already researched my time and at least make a research for over a week, and I finally find this way so that I will help you to go there and start making a clip, guys. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So let's move to the video. So guys, actually I will go to my Clickbank and actually find an offer to more for more. So I would actually to recommend you to go to one and search for Clickbank and click on enter. So actually it's loading. So here is the home page of Clickbank. So guys, if you have already know, I think most of the people that can watch this video already know what Clickbank is all about. Is a affiliate marketing website where you can be able to find offers to promote, so that whenever you get sales, you make a commission like 50 to 70% of it. So just go along to your account and actually copy your account. So I will go to my marketplace and find the offer. So actually, as you can see here, the affiliate marketplace in Clickbank, where you can be able to see a lot of products that you can be able to promote. So right now, as you can see, the top product is XCPO, a career juice, and then this one which is protecting moisture in the dental niche. So I would highly recommend to choose this one because it's a new product and it's a weight loss product. So let's click on promote and click on create hop link. So here is our track link. So actually let me go and shorten it directly in order to save it. So let me go to my URL linker so that I will shorten this link. Sorry, it will take a while. But it is loading. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a new video, guys, you can go say, hey, online house writing just drop a video, so that you can go and watch it. So let me press it and actually shorten it. So as you can see, I have already shortened my name. So let me open my notepad. Here is the link, so let me minimize it. So right now we have already copied our affiliate link, but as we affiliate, we have to go to the product details like affiliate page to see what product is all about. But for me, I already know. So as you can see, you can go to the affiliate page and see what the product you are going to promote, how it looks like. So as you can see, that this one here is a photo of it. So let me download it if you can allow me. Save to computer. So let me see. Okay, where yes. So let's scroll down and read all about the product. You will be good enough to go and start promoting it. So you will make some research about it and actually get more details about it. So here is actually how to pick the right offer and etc. and the high PM offer. So for this Clickbank strategy, I will actually go and find the best way to promote it, and I actually do my own research and actually find the best and the fastest way that you can make money on Clickbank. This way is actually TikTok. As we all know here, most of I think 95 to 99% of us know about TikTok. So actually here is TikTok, and most of us know that TikTok is a very platform, or I should say high ranking platform, that you can be able to post your video and get at least a million. Even if you are not a top like me now, I can even post a video, maybe by the grace of God it can be almost 100 to 200 up to 1 million, because they can rank anybody they want, or anybody can rank at any time. So as you can see, we have already picked our product, which is a carrier juice. So this product, as you know, is weight loss product. So the what I highly recommend you is go to Redis and search for fingers. Actually fingers. So let me just click on enter. I used a lot of. Let's click this one, fingers.com. So when you are in the website, you are actually going to search for so once you search on it, so just where they say video, so once you see the video, you are actually now you can see there are a lot of video here you can be able to download. It's just for free, and we have permission to do this. So what I want to highly recommend you here is that to at least find 10 to 50 videos, mark them together and create a YouTube channel and upload them with your keyword, with your affiliate link. It's just like a review, so that once person search and your video appear in the top results, once they read and get value, so they will click on your description to click on your affiliate link. Once they decide to buy, so as you can see, here is the process. But the process right now I'm going to show you guys is to actually find like this one. Let's say I want to download it. As you can see, I said we are using TikTok, we are not using YouTube right now. So let's click on download it, and let me just do like that. Save video as. Let me see. So let me click on this, and now the video was actually downloading. So what we are going to do right now is, guys, to go back to our Pinterest, sorry, it's TikTok. So just click on upload. I think I have a problem on the internet connection, but it will go back as soon as possible. So let me click refresh. So as you can see, they just refresh. So without to say, I don't want to waste more time, so I would highly recommend you to go TikTok and actually pause the video. Once you pause it, put your link in the description or something like that. So sorry, I forget, TikTok doesn't allow you to be uploading links and etc. So edit the video and put the link in the video, or see you can get the link in your bio, because they will allow you to put the link in bio. So once you put it, so you have a very high chance to get ranked on TikTok. So with that said, Monai. So guys, if you actually uploading your video, it's actually gonna be disliked. So I will highly recommend you to go and save, go to capture it, because if someone search it, it will appear on TikTok. Like just with this particular keyword, the higher ranking keyword, which is with So let's just leave it like that and actually post. So I do not edit the video. I say if you can have a time to edit the video and say the link is in the bio, so that once they finish, to go straight to your profile and click on your bio, so they go to your affiliate link or call action page and etc. So here is actually the best strategy I know right now that exists, and I'm using it all over a week right now. So I have started getting at least $50 making sales, and I will highly recommend you to use a landing page, guys, because landing page is one of the best way to make money online by collecting emails and sending emails. So the once they put it, they do not buy it, you can be send them the call action email so that they will buy through your affiliate link. So guys, here is actually how the affiliate marketing using Clickbank new strategy work. So I will highly recommend you, if you get a new some value in this video, guys, go to this YouTube channel which is online how you watch it, hit that like button and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.